The US stock market has made it. One of the most important news today is that US stocks have hit new all-time highs. Having analyzed recent developments, we are ready to share our outlook on the stock and currency markets with you. Watch the video for more details. As of Monday morning, the S&P 500 advanced 17% since the beginning of the year. Now it's trading at near 4,410 points, having offset recent losses in full. From now on, the index is expected to trade in the corridor of 4,370 to 4,430 points. Speaking about the record growth of the US stock indexes, we should bear in mind that the US stocks were propelled to elevated levels by huge investments provided this year. International investment funds injected $900 billion in the US economy in the first half of 2021. Such data was unveiled in the report on global investments. This also contributes to the dazzling rally of the US stock market. The US dollar slipped against the basket of major currencies as investors turned their focus to the Fed's policy meeting later on this week. The US dollar index remains in the expected range of 92.50 to 93.00. The index measures the greenback strengths relative to the basket of six main rivals: the euro, the yen, the pound sterling, the Canadian dollar, the Swedish krona and the Swiss franc. Experts are poised to believe that the index will leave the trading range upwards, so most experts are betting on the US dollar strength. The thing is that the greenback will be able to resume its uptrend after the US Fed announces its policy update. The USD CAD pair is trading at about 1.2590. Interestingly, the greenback looks more vulnerable against the loonie than against other major currencies. The current level of oil prices is pushing the Canadian dollar upwards. However, the oil market is now making a downward correction that could be rather lengthy. Hence, technical analysis suggests that the USD CAD pair is likely to halt in the corridor of 1.2460 to 1.2700. Bitcoin was driven upwards by the rally in the stock market. The number one cryptocurrency has jumped 14% over the last 24 hours to trade at $38,000. Analysts reckon that Bitcoin has reached its ceiling under the current conditions. The next move is a minor downward correction to $35,000 and $37,000 per token. The most popular cryptocurrency perked up in light of the news on the internet. An anonymous insider said that at the weekend, Amazon is looking to accept payments in bitcoins until the year end. This information is just rumors, so a downward correction is imminent. The market sentiment this week depends on the Fed's rhetoric and policy update. The US Central Bank is beginning a two-day policy meeting on Wednesday. This meeting is taking place on the back of inflation acceleration. The US CPI has been holding at about 5% for 3 months in a row since April. Thus, the Federal Reserve is widely expected to make comments on the current situation. Later on the week, the US will publish the first estimate of its GDP for the second quarter. Analysts project a strong economic expansion of 8 or 9% in annual terms. On Friday, market participants will get to know changes in personal income and spending, as well as the core PCE for June. Keep your finger on the pulse of market developments on InstaForex TV channel. See you tomorrow.